As daylight fades and the city lights begin to take over, Stockholm reveals a completely different personality. The busy daytime atmosphere slowly gives way to something calmer, warmer, and surprisingly inviting. Streets begin to glow, conversations spill out from cafés and restaurants, and the city takes on a rhythm all its own. Tonight, we're simply walking through Stockholm after dark, experiencing the sights, sounds, and atmosphere that make this Scandinavian capital so captivating at night. If you enjoy discovering cities through immersive walks like this one, consider joining us on future journeys by subscribing to Tripinn. There are many more streets, skylines, and hidden corners around the world waiting to be explored together. One of the first things you'll notice about Stockholm at night is how balanced everything feels. The city is lively, but rarely overwhelming. Even in busier areas, there's a sense of calm that seems to flow naturally through the streets. The lighting plays a big role in that feeling. Instead of bright, flashy displays, you'll often find soft illumination that makes the city feel warm and welcoming. It creates an atmosphere that's perfect for an evening stroll. Every now and then, you'll come across a street that feels completely different from the one before it. One moment there may be laughter and music, and the next, a peaceful corner with only the sound of footsteps. That contrast is part of Stockholm's charm. The city constantly shifts between energy and tranquility without ever feeling disconnected. The architecture becomes especially beautiful after sunset. Buildings that may seem ordinary during the day suddenly stand out under carefully placed lighting. Shadows add character, details become more noticeable, and even a simple street can feel cinematic. It's one of those cities where walking without a destination often becomes the best part of the experience. If you're enjoying this nighttime walk so far, a quick like is a great way to support the journey. It helps more travel lovers discover these walks and encourages us to keep bringing new destinations to the channel. One thing that makes Stockholm unique is its connection to water. Even when you can't see it directly, you can often feel its presence in the cool evening air. Reflections from nearby waterfronts add an extra layer of beauty to the city after dark. The lights seem to stretch endlessly across the night, creating scenes that almost don't feel real. Stockholm's nightlife isn't only about bars and clubs. Much of its charm comes from the atmosphere itself. People gather in restaurants, relax at outdoor seating areas, or simply enjoy walking through the city. The experience often feels more social than hectic, which gives the evenings a very welcoming character. As we continue exploring, notice how clean and organized everything feels. Even late at night, there's a sense of order that contributes to the city's relaxed mood. It's one of those details visitors often remember long after their trip ends. The environment encourages you to slow down and simply enjoy where you are. Stockholm has a nighttime atmosphere that's very different from many other major cities around the world. As you're watching, let us know in the comments what stands out most to you about the city so far. Another fascinating thing about Stockholm is how modern and historic influences blend together. Contemporary spaces exist alongside buildings that have witnessed centuries of history. At night, these different eras seem to merge even more naturally, creating a cityscape that feels both timeless and modern at the same time. Even during quieter moments of the walk, there's always something interesting to observe. A reflection in a window, the movement of people, the changing light, or the simple design of the streets themselves. These little details are what make walking through a city such a rewarding experience. Every viewer notices something different. As we approach the later hours of the evening, Stockholm remains remarkably inviting. The city continues to feel alive without becoming chaotic. It's a place where excitement and relaxation coexist comfortably, creating an experience that feels uniquely Scandinavian. As our walk through Stockholm's nightlife comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed experiencing the city's atmosphere from wherever you are in the world. From peaceful streets and glowing lights to the energy of evening life, Stockholm offers a nighttime experience that's both relaxing and memorable. If you enjoyed walking with us, don't forget to subscribe to Tripinn for more immersive travel experiences and walking tours from destinations across the globe. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next adventure.